Hey travelers, welcome back to Points to Wonderlust. Today we're going to talk about how do you maximize your points. I know we all have dream vacations and we may even be starting to plan our vacations for next year. And so with holidays right around the corner and Black Friday being in 2 days, I want to make sure that we all are maximizing the amount of points that we can earn. So one of the sites I would highly suggest you use is Cashback Monitor. I was at my facial today. My esthetician was talking to me about the products I'm using, and that really clicked and said, ooh, I need to re-up on some of my products. A lot of my products are actually sold at Ulta, and since there's no Ulta that close to where I live, I was like, let me head home and check out Cashback Monitor. Cashback Monitor is the perfect site because it scours the internet and finds out where can you get the most bang for your buck when you're using your credit cards or your debit card or just any of the other reward sites. So because I know I need to re-up through Ulta, I'm going to go ahead and type in Ulta. Once you type in Ulta, I know that I can get at most 6% back. And then when we're talking about travel miles and points, we're thinking about all of the airlines and they're like shop through JetBlue or shop through Delta, all of those type of things. Then you have the credit card points. So that's thinking about your actual credit card categories in addition to things like shop through Chase and then other reward points. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Ulta Beauty. We notice that the most I can earn is 15. So when I'm looking at travel, I see that, ooh, if I was really interested in earning United without the United credit card, I can still earn 10 miles. And then for Delta, I can earn 8. However, I'm really leaning towards more of a transferable currency, meaning as I'm earning these points, I can send them to different places. So with Chase, I can transfer to JetBlue. I can transfer to British Airways. I can also transfer to Hyatt. Hyatt has been my hotel of choice lately. It's one of my favorite programs. And with the Chase Freedom, it's even better because right now for Q4, they have a partnership with PayPal. So you get 5 times the points when you pay with PayPal. So I'm like, this is perfect because I'm going to double dip if I use this Chase Freedom. I'm going to get 15 and then another 5 times the points. What I really love about this is because once I click on this Chase UR Freedom, it is going to bring you directly to the Chase site to have you log in. Once you log in, you'll then be able to click on the Shop with Chase, see your credit card, and then it'll take you right to the Ulta site so you can start shopping. So it just makes everything like a one-stop shop for you to be able to check out and get everything in a really quick manner as opposed to doing a lot of searching and then going to Shop with Chase, then checking out Delta. Cashback Monitor has everything in one space for you. So once I click this shop now, it is now going to bring me to shop at Ulta Beauty, and I can start looking for any of the things I need for my facial or just re-upping on any makeup I may need. Remember, if you have the Chase Freedom, when you check out, make sure you check out with PayPal so you get 5 times the points additional. Let me know in the comments if there are any places that you're currently looking at for your vacations, because I kind of feel like I need some ideas for my summer vacation. My niece and nephew have already chosen where they want to go. And so I'm like, after going with them, I may need another vacation. So go ahead and give me some ideas in the comments.